पंचायत मुंबई हांव सरपंच पिरियड दिसा तुमकां सगळ्यांक आमच्या प्रेस गांवांत आमच्या पंचायतीच्या नांवान वेलकम करता आमची प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स. आमची ग्रामसभा मुंबई पंचायतीची ग्रामसभा ऑलरेडी ग्रामसभा वॉज बीन हेल्ड ऑन 26th of October 2025. आय थिंक डिस्कशन खूब जाली आहे. एक 14 घरांचे इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स म्हणून तेंचे डिमॉलिशन करता पंचायतीक. सॉरी डिमॉलिशन म्हणून ना तेणी शो कॉज नोटिसीस म्हणून कितें इश्यू केलो तेणें आमचे कडेन खूब डिस्कशन केलें. एंड आय थिंक दॅट वॉज लायव स्ट्रीम बाय गूगल मिडिया एंड इट वॉज बीन शोन ऑल्सो what discussion was being taken for that particular Gram Sabha for that particular application. मागीर दुसऱ्या दिसा ग्रामसभा काबार जाली. दुसऱ्या दिसा that is 27th of October 2025 हांव घराको आसलें आनी म्हाका सडनली फोन कॉल्स येवपाक लागले. Various phone calls from various people stating that Sarpanch there is a video which is being getting circulated. And the video हांव सोशल मिडियाचे हांव ना सोशल मिडियाचे but it was being screen recorded and sent by various people to me. And people have also shown me various messages, various comments which were being put up and everything. थोडोसो माइंड म्हणटा ते मुगेले मातशें डिस्टर्ब जालें कित्याक आमी सर्वीस कोताय 4 पाट निवडून येयलो हांवें पंच मेंबर हांवें. And I was a punch for almost 3 terms now and this is my 4th term. I'm serving as a sarpanch. हांव केन्ना कोणागे घर मोडो ना आनी केन्ना घर मोडपाक केन्ना मुखार सोडलो केन्ना ना. I was shocked when these things happened. व्हिडिओ चोयता म्हाका कळना हे व्हिडिओ कितें आहा गे. कोण म्हणटा हिल कार्टिंग आहा, कोण म्हणटा कोण कंपनी येयली, कोण तितूंक म्हणटा कितें घर हाय ती तिंका पळोवपाक वयतले, कोण म्हणटा की को ओनर आहा. All matters were being mixed up and put into one single video. आज ही प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवपाक मेन रिजन इज हांव क्लॅरिफाय करूं सोदिता एज सरपंच ऑफ विलेज पंचायत मुंबई this entire case of illegal houses in Patyapur ward. At Patyapur ward ho amgelo ek ward which is very close to on the outskirts on the jurisdiction of Mugai village which is close to the village of Verna. Okay, at think is alo is tinga complaint chalu ha from the month of June 2022. Antoneta Rodriguez tine complaint by illegal construction and they don't panchayat forms auna in the month of June 2022 पंचायत फॉर्म जावना एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर रूल आसलो आनी तेणी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटरान देखून तिंगा ऑलरेडी तिंगा सायट इन्स्पेक्शन करपाचें ते वेरियस प्रोसिजर केलो बट इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक बीन सगळें हें बीन करून जातरी लास्टा पंचायत फॉर्म जाली एंड जेन्ना मुगो पॉलिटी केस आय सेड दॅट वी वील हॅव अ सायट इन्स्पेक्शन ऑन 10th of October 2022 वी हेल्ड एन इन्स्पेक्शन डे. प्रॉब्लम हुई जात तेंचो पंचायत मेंबर्स जावं सरपंच कोणाक जेन्ना कंप्लेनंट तेच गांवचे तिंगाचे लोकल नीज गोंयकार आनी जेन्ना ही गोरां नीज गोंयकारां गेलींच आतां ते मेन म्हणटा ते पंचायत मेंबराको आसता जावं सरपंचाको आसता एमिकेबल सेटलमेंट करपाक प्रोसिजर हार्शली जायत करूं जाताय बट वी हॅव नॉट अडॉप्टेड दॅट. At a site inspection which was being held in the month of October 2022, it was agreed by both the parties. Mind you, it was agreed by both the parties to have an amicable settlement before the panchayat for an office hearing. An office hearing report has been done, and the office hearing report where both the parties, that is Antonieta Rodriguez and Sebastian, they have agreed to certain terms, which is here in my file. I will show it to you. Then somewhere around in maybe it was before there was also a conflict between the owners and this complaint is been going on in survey number 246/1. These illegal construction goranchi koi complaint kailo ha ownarano it is in 246/1. Panchayatin 2022 te 2025 we tried to solve the matter very amicably because even the opposite party, the respondents were all the time telling the panchayat for report evidences where the respondents are also saying that we want to know the legality of the title documents. But title documents, that is the ownership and illegal construction, are two different subjects. So let me understand that. These are two different. At ownership sarkena, they have to go to the respective courts to challenge the ownership. But when then it is coming to illegal constructions, it is binding on the panchayat to take certain actions. Ami being Bandhan Koda as per the Panchayat Raj Act. You understand? We are bound by this. From 2022 to 2025, it is clearly seen that there was a failure on the part of the panchayat. The complainant, Rita Rodriguez, who claims herself that she can take it to the court, she is an aggrieved party. It is but natural that both the parties have to be heard. तें दोगांयकू आयकून घेन म्हूण आमकां 3 वर्सां लागलें. 3 वर्सां ही दोनी पार्टी आम सोजमायताय. कित कोन एमिकेबल सेटलमेंट जाता वा जायना ते. In that means the complainant approaches the High Court. Because she has clearly mentioned here in her petition that it was a failure on the part of the village panchayat. It was a failure on the part of the village panchayat to take necessary action against the illegal structures. So this case, Makte dus Gram Sabha Sanpana Kalle, on and off Mudi Tanglole. I have that recording with me. I have kept on saying show cause notices are just a procedure. It is just a procedure where illegal constructions, they said we have not taken actions. So thing amki pehla the High Court ageli, it is yet for permissible admission before the High Court. So the matter does not become sub judice, it is still before us. So we had to act. The DDP takes cognizance, the Deputy Director of Panchayat takes cognizance of this issue under section 345, and where he takes it for cognizance, he sends a memorandum to the BDO to do site inspections. The BDO sends a notice to us to conduct site inspections. The only most important thing is we have not sent any demolition notice. आणि आम्ही चौद गोरा मोठाय ती show cause notices धाडो नाही. They are yet to go. Inspections had gone. There was only one house in the name of Agnello Rodriguez where a show cause notice is come. The total misguidance is done. आमची misguidance पण दाखवली. Total Hokot village panchayat Nuve is running on good. हांवें पोतून सांगता सरपंच जायन 5 जालो कडेन देखून हांवें म्हणून आहा म्हाका लोकां गेली आमगे पंचायतीक लोकांन घर काडूं जाय लिगली and whatever is possible I'm telling you because I want standard of living to be increased for everybody. We want it. Total misrepresentation that show cause notices have gone, demolition notices have gone. I am on record only one party, that is Agnello Rodriguez. I didn't want to take name because in Gram Sabha we can't take personal names. You understand, no? So what I did was I kept on saying show cause notice is just a procedure. Video showing म्हाका सारकी इंस्टिगेट कोताय कोर म्हूण कोरेन दाखय म्हूण कित कोरेन दाखयलो जाल्यार डिमॉलिशन आनी कित कोलें जाल्यार 4 पाट निवडून येता आसलोली 5 मेंबर म्हणून कोणा इंटिमेट कोताय पंचायती इंटिमेट कोताय टू डू डिमॉलिशन्स when we have protected this panchayat the people from 2022 to 25 it was an intimating video. If you want to alert the Goans, you have to alert the Goans only on the basis of knowing both the sides. This is my contention. This is the contention of village panchayat Nuve. Itsa challo mukode Pauzilik Doradan. Ex sarpanch to ten muko itsa challo muge bor relation ha Pauzilik Dorada kode. One call but he says that he had gone to the panchayat. He had not gone to the panchayat. His application clearly shows the matter to be discussed for Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha is not, you are not attending the panchayat, you are not asking me. One phone call away, Pauzilik Dorad was from me. One phone call. It's a chalo Pauzilik Pan Mukode. Tu sarpanch aglo show cause notice dada ki dada freedom ko itsa. I respect every member who has served this panchayat. I respect him. And because of that respect, I think I am also doing good service to the people of my village. It was totally wrong. I go completely against the statements. There was fear and anxiety among the people of Nuve. Steps and crying, why Ankit kya gaya mode? Not that all. That story is not over there. Those people come. All 14 of them were not in the video which you all have seen near the forest department. Out of that, people come to me. They meet me personally and they tell me, I am on record and I can prove that they have come to me and they have told me, सरपंच तुझे उलोवप आम कोणाक सांगोंक ना म्हूण तुवें आमगे तूं तेम सांबाळ्ळा तुवें आमचे बराबर आगलोली पंचायत आगलोली सरपंच तुवें म्हणून आतां कितको म्हूण गेलें तें आपणाक खबर ना. Activism has to be done. I'm not saying no. As per whatever issues are going on, I say that has to. But after hearing both the parties, please
I'm requesting even the social media. If you're alerting Goans, which is the need of the hour, it is the need of the hour. But only after understanding the crux of the information. I am very thankful to Prudent Media. I am really saying, because the Prudent Media with the recording gela, it was a fact. They have said over there that I am saying demolition kurchemo, ye kurchemo. How tingach kurche chera na mota. How tunge gor mona evertan nitpana mona kode. I have said that. I am begging to people, if elections are coming close by, this does not mean that you have to cut, edit and post videos. Don't be keyboard warriors. Don't be keyboard warriors. It is no use. जोरी तो गोंयकार सालवार जातलो जाल्यार गोंयच्या लोकांक गोंयकारान आपणा सालवार करूंक जाय. होय गोंयकारूच. कोण गेला तोय गोंयकारूच पिटिशन. We have to hear both the parties. Ex-Sarpanch Fawzulib Dorat, I was actually hurt by him. Because पंचायतीन जे त्यान मुल्टिगा जोरी तर पंचायती को जायना जाल्यार कोण मुखार चयतलो. मुखार चोवपा उरला न्ही कितें. Parties gone to the High Court. It is yet for admission. Panchayati ko process salo. 22 to 25, what you were doing? I'm still saying. And when I said to him, "Ye herogiri korop namoto mak open panchayati mota." See the recording. He has said in the open Gram Sabha, "Tu zero korop apna ogot namo." On what basis? By putting an atrocities act on me? I challenge. If 2022 I was in depression when they had done a cut edit video against me. I was under depression. I know how I have served and how I have come out of it. That is why I say, don't use social media for just cut, edit and post videos. I'm requesting, it is the press, it is you who has to lead to a better Goa and better to all of us. Among Aij Goda, ye virus Mazode Gawa chalole, ye virus Betalpati chalole. You know what was the most beautiful thing? No sooner the video came, Betalpati Panch Sarpanchas, Panch Sarpanch, of Verna, of Nagua, of Lotuli, of Majorda, they all called on to me. Sarpanch Zat Tenki Denya virus in Yuka Dinaka. The explanation, Sarpanch. I was so much touched because they knew the procedures. It made me feel that Nuve is the heart of this constituency and they are with us. Just because the elections are close by, please do not misinterpret and misguide the people. In open Gram Sabha, I have been challenged by the applicant, Fawzulib Dorado, that he will make me zero. Muge service, ya gawa mukar osot rawtoli, ma kitliya she tum dag galay kite galay. Mugele and amge panchayat will stand strong with these 14 houses. Am kona ko demolition notice kalona. Anything anek issue ha with regards to hill cutting. And video chalta hai hill cutting ache. Panchayat was in receipt of a complaint from Antonio Pereira for hill cutting. And कित चलते सांगता ये कोई जेदोन दिल्ले application नु next day मुगे Gram Sabha आली. Then the application आचे बोरोंग को ना that the matter has to be discussed before the Gram Sabha मा. ना ते दिसा को देखो Gram Sabha discuss कर पाए वाले. I didn't take this application. I attended it very personally. And on 2nd of May 2025, Antonio Pereira. And down it is written social activist Fidel Pereira. It is written. After that, on 2nd of May 2025, immediately I write a letter to Antonio Pereira on 2nd itself. Please tell me who is the owner and the survey number. I tell him, please let me know. And it is not just let me know, it has been received by the applicant. It is received. Nobody came to me. Nobody came. After that, I write a letter on 2nd only to the deputy collector. I write to the concerned department. Why is this being done? I मुझे homework होता. I site inspection गेले. I site inspection report केलो. सगळे केले. पण आज ते कोण follow up करू येलो ना. कित्या येलो ना video करपा जाय म्हणून. गोवन सारकीत कोण alert होता काय तुम्ही आम्ही. Tell me how you are alerting the Goans. If you all had to get back to me, you all had to get back on this, no? किती जाऊ ना? Video काम दाखवला दुसरे कोणीचो another survey number, which is of some other survey number. You are talking about Bombay company, some fair play. I don't want to talk about it. Ask Fawzulib Dorad itself when the sale deed had taken place between fair play and the local of Patiapur.
Ask him why he had to wait for so long. कित्या म्हणून आमी बोगलाड घेवपाची when we are serving the society in a good sense? Why? Because of ZP elections? I am not sitting. Why you are tarnishing our panchayat? सुसेगाद चलता ही वायरस नाका आमकां. आमनीच गोंयकारां आमगे एक हेतू हा पंचायतीचो. आम कोणागे पोटाची येनाय ना म्हूण घराची येनाय. हांव बीन गोरगान एक घराची. म्हाका खबर आहा.
सरपंच तुम्ही म्हणला तुमचो दोरादो काय कोण आसा
तुमचो न्ही आमचो एक सरपंच कावन्सिलीक दवरात.
रायट सो ताजे कडेन तुमचे रिलेशन एंड यू हॅव अ कॉर्डियल रिलेशन विथ that person but still why is he calling activists
See, one thing I'll tell you very clearly. Don't divert this issue on mine and Pausilip's enmity or mine and Pausilip's relation. Mine and Pausilip's relation is good. You understand, no? So even if it was good, that is what I'm saying. He should have been just one phone call away. I'll tell you, Divine Retreat Center is taking place in his own Melloy ward. Who stood by Divine Retreat Center? Kada RTI. थिंग कोण त्रास कोता डिवाइन रिट्रीट सेंटराक थिंग कोण इतलो पळय लोक येता थिंग ट्रॅफिकाक कोण प्रॉब्लेम कोता काडाय रिकॉर्ड पुलीस स्टेशनाचे कितें आमदार जावं एक्स आमदारान हेल्प केला लोकांक थिंग येवपाक आमकांय आमगे फेथ आहा दिस इज द फर्स्ट पंचायत हू हॅज हेल्प होल हार्टेडली टू द डिवाइन रिट्रीट सेंटर कम्युनल disharmony was been tried in his whole ward why tell me why just because I'm not answering just because I keep quiet म्हाका कोणाचेर टिका करपा नाका मागीर म्हणटा कितें तें चड उलयता ना दुखोलो म्हणून उलयता बिकॉज वी हॅव डन गूड सर्वीस वी आर बीन री-इलेक्टेड बिकॉज ऑफ दीस फाल्यां बसतले पडटले हें म्युजिकल चेअर हेजेर हांव ना माय सर्वीस इज टू द पीपल whether I am on this position or whether I am not on any positions don't matter service starts at home and that is what we do I have a backing of a person who has done lots to the people here. But दुसऱ्या पाटी misleading and misguidance please कोणा काही पंचायती नावाने उलोवपा जात जाल्यार जायत उलोवपा जाता पण म्हाका तें उलोवपा नाका I hand over more उलोवपा जात म्हळ्यार उलोवपा नाका न्ही I can if you have some queries you can please ask me yes
Madam, you are saying some cut and paste videos and all.
Yes.
Because they are near the forest department. There were a lot of near the forest department. That what you are meaning?
no I said what when they were cut edit videos and posted I was a victim of it
Okay.
in 2022
2022.
yeah
22.
So yes, and 2022 सन आतां तें करप न्हू म्हणटा हांव कित्याक लोकांकू गोंयकारांकू अलर्ट कोतो जाल्यार दोनी सायड आयको जाय न्हू एकूच सायड घेवन करप न्हू
Now fair enough because I was thinking because in the Gram Sabha I was there and I
No, you have all the recordings and if you don't have, I will give you
No,
all
I
the
have it like so basically and the media also was looking at me because of what you were saying some alert ones.
No,
So
I didn't say
just-
alert ones.
No,
I didn't take your channel.
See, madam, just listen to me. I'm not saying anything like that. Because all this time media they were looking to me that I have done
That is your
nothing. So I have not done any cut
That is your
edit.
problem. That is your problem.
Saying it's your problem. So that is what I am trying to say. So I'm not come here to argue or whatever it is. I'm not. What problem I'm making? That's
Sir,
all.
मुखार sir. कोणागेर आनी कितें queries जाय?
मॅडम एक सांग म्हाका ही आतां गोवार जी जांकां सोकॉज नोटीस इश्यू केला म्हणटा न्हू आर दीस ओल्ड हावजीस ऑर न्यू हावजीस
See, Savio, what is happening? These people have been staying here for a pretty long time. They have been staying here. Now, this 246/1 is under contention of ownership. कोणागे टायटल सारकें ना कोण म्हणटा 1911 तुली मुको डॉक्युमेंट्स आहाय कोण म्हणटा हायकोर्ट पिटिशनां लायलो हाय इन्व्हेंटरी प्रोसिडींग्स but any of 1932 succession deed लायलो आहा so these all things have to be decided by the court but as of now when I am here I know these construction these houses oldu हाय तितू and थोडीशी मातशे थिंग चेंजीस केलो हाय रेग्युलर मातशे चेंजीस
बट वर दे पेइंग हावस टॅक्स
yes they are paying house tax.
सो यू इशूड शोकॉज नोटीस जस्ट बिकॉज
I issued secretary issues one show cause notice based on the inspection which is done by the BDO. At BDO न कोई inspection केला न्हू ते inspection आमक पार्टी रावपाकू पडटा सरपंच आसोता सेक्रेटरी आसोता आनी वॉर्ड मेंबर
बट डिड यू ऑल फायंड समथिंग इलिगल
see illegal म्हण केदो प्रूफ जातले आफ्टर दिस show cause notice
So
What is the
they
show cause
have-
notice?
they have to give the-
yeah show cause notice म्हळ्यार कितें show cause notice म्हळ्यार तुका टायम मेळटा सांगो आपणागे इलिगॅलिटी आपणा टायम दी म्हजे घर स्किमीचे आपण घातलो ओ डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा बरें आपण घातलो सो दॅट द कॉम्युनिटी DDP विल टेक डिसिजन तेणे पळय शो कॉजा रिप्लाय दिला आदिलेनो रॉड्रिगीजान वी विल फॉरवर्ड इट टू द कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंट अँड वी आर प्रेइंग बिफोर द हाय कोर्ट इट इज अ मेन थिंग फॉर अस दॅट द कंटेन्शन शूड कम टू अस
That is again the case should be heard at our level, at the DDP, because we had failed, no? So at least if we have failed, now we have done. The panchayat is doing something that it has to come. The prayer of the person is also to have immediate demolition when she is asking under some section. But that we are not praying for. We are saying that we are taking cognizance of the issue we have done so that the people can get stay. Additional director of panchayati बरोबर जायत remedies आहेत सगळ्यो. If every section has a law, yeah. So you can.
म्हणटा की पहिली त्या हेतून तांच्यांनी म्हटलं की पंचायत लेवलाचेर इट हॅज फेल्ड,
Yes.
सो यू वांट टू डू इट करेक्टली, राइट?
No, that is what who's taking cognizance. That with our higher authorities. Higher authorities cognizance.
Now
लेता.
what you can do, whatever you can do to save their houses, you are doing, right?
And best part what we are trying to do is amicable settlement. Even now, if they are open, whoever, see, Goinkar Amich, Soglich, complain Kottoi Goinkar, Rautai Tini Goinkara, ini te pot potun to statement on scheme called migrants, अरे ते नाकरे माका इंगारू यहाँ पे, ते virus इंगनाका, ते migrants किरा ते मागी जो यार ini आती case चलते.
You're collecting house tax. At the same time, you're saying you're not clear about the status.
Yes.
So how can you collect house tax from something which has no legal status or may have legal status?
Yeah.
That
So if
shouldn't
you
that
yes,
clarity
yes,
be there
exactly.
first?
Now what I'm trying to tell you is initially कोई house number दिताले बाबा सगळ्यांक गेले मोठो occupancies दिलो नाही. कळ्ळो तुका न्हू? So सगळी house tax कोई दिलो हा तेंगे filing आसपा नाही लोकांक गेल्यो. हा? So occupancy दिन आसो देखून थोड्यांक गेलो. At now the CM has said if it was on the survey we will see that an occupancy shall be issued by the secretary. Good things are going to be in the channel and if it can be happening, let it happen. So legality or illegality, structure जेव्हा तू legal कोता तेक license आसपा जाय न्हू बाबा. When you say the structure is illegal, that means it doesn't have a license. Show cause is a breather which is being given. Where you have to prove, you have to ask, you have to plead the court that we want time to regularize, to do things.
मॅडम थंय
Yes.
झाडापट केले म्हणून तेंच्यानी पळय फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर सांगलें एक्झॅक्टली कितें आहा त्या प्लेसीर.
See, आतां कितें जालें मरे हिल काटिंग पळय आमी करपाक गेलीं. हिल काटिंग पळय आमी करपाक गेलीं. हिल काटिंगार इन्स्पेक्शन पळय करपाक गेलीं. We have seen when the forest department, that is a separate survey number. Now what they have shown on the record over there, some trees have been marked, which I have seen on that video. आता ते trees mark केले तो एक प्रोसिजर आसा, कोण तरी एक टेक्निकल क्लियरन्स ऑर्डर घेता सब डिविजन ऑफ प्लॉट करपाक. सो तेणें कितें करपा आसता, फॉरेस्टा मार्क करून दाखोवपा आसता अमकी ट्रीज आहात रेंज ऑफिसराक टू द कन्सेक्युटिव टू द कन्झर्वेटर ऑफ फॉरेस्ट वी हॅव टू शो नो. So then ती marking केलो आसतलें. I think it पुरोयला that area which I can at least see, but I am so because I had gone for site inspection there also. That area is not the part where hill cutting was being done.
Totally.
That is totally different. That is what I'm saying, na. 3 survey numbers have been intercollected only to target village panchayat Nube. Why?
You mean to say that the tree felling on a different survey number?
Yes. Think कोई की जालो नु, think कोई दुसऱ्या ये think कोई फुटा नु, think की जालो तर रेंज ऑफिसरान रिपोर्ट दिलो फाइंड आउट.
आता ते 14 जण म्हणटा पळय आता
Yeah,
रात
things जालना ते.
तेंगे थंय जालना
ना.
प्री कटिंग थंय ना. आणि
See,
थंय ते
there is a number
नंबर
ki there is survey number difference. Like now there is something 264(1)B. Things along, which I have seen on that recording. Now whether they have NOCs or not, it is your time. It is your time to see all that. I cannot give all the information. Okay, but I know it very well that it is done in 264(1)B. What recording it is being shown. What member is
सो
it?
झाडाचे नंबर बीन घालया म्हणटा पळय.
Yeah,
तो
wait.
पंचायतीक बीन कितें इंटिमेट केल्या आमी बाबा प्रॉपर्टी डेव्हलप करता बीन.
Yes.
केल्ले आहा.
Yes.
त्या कोणी केल्या.
Yes. So once there is a provincial NOC, when there is a provincial NOC, there are few things you have to proceed on, no? Like you have to go to the electricity department, you have to go
Within
to
a
the
6 months.
Yeah, at the So then सांगता विषय मरे हे ते मिक्स करून पंचायती जिल्हा इलेक्शन हा म्हण किती कोणा काय अर्थ ना रे बाबा ग्रामसभा येता येणी बर करे जायते ऍक्टिव्हिस्ट आहे जरीना टिकून जायत जाण आहे अंगेला खूप रेस्पेक्ट आणि पंचायत बोर चलता.
ह्या प्रेसात तुका फक्त दोनच पॉइंट मांडपाचे आहा की तुवें 14 घरांक एनओसी काडलो ना.
NOC?
हे
शोभास.
demolition करपाक order
शोभास.
properties काडलो ना आणि दुसरे ती प्रॉपर्टी जी तेंच्यान दाखयल्या झाडां कट केल्या ती दुसरे
सर्वे नंबर डिफरंट.
सर्वे नंबर डिफरंट म्हणजे फॉरेस्टान तेंच्यांनी पयर बोळ केला पळय फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसान वचून म्हणजे 14 घरांचेर शोकोज नोटीस काडल्या ते तुम्ही डिनाय करता पंचायतीन हाडूना म्हणून.
Your question is going to be wrong.
ना 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 म्हाजो क्वेश्चन कितें आसा पंचायत डिनायींग पंचायत डिनाय करता की 14 घरांक शोकोज नोटीस काडली ना. Yes, फक्त ह्या प्रसादाचे दोनच-
एको घरा शोर कॉज काढा. That is Agnello Rodriguez,
It is dated also 10/10/2025. Outward number to मेळटलो and शोकोस पळय काडटा तो secretary काडटा. And again I am saying, when secretary does not do these things, no, ते दुसरे कोण म्हणा ग्रामसभा तू केशी काड काय म्हण when it is sub judice ना government servant लेगून मातशें चिंतय. If they do these reminiscence of duties within a period of time, no, a government servants ते कोणागे आपणागे family pot बताय मरे तेंचें चिंतय. शोकॉज नोटीस गेलखे ना ते छाटल्यान तेका एक ब्रिदर मेळटा सांगपा लिगॅलिटी सारकें न्ही हां सो एटलीस्ट थिंक अबाउट देम 10 जाण आपणा पंगड काम करून doesn't make sense यार.
Madam, you are saying is right, but one thing what I want to please clarify again is that this tree felling was entirely wrong. What they were saying was entirely wrong in that.
बरोबर हांव सांगता.
No, that is what this gentleman was asking about.
हांव कितें म्हणटा फक्त तुमच्या ह्या प्रेस घेवपाक दोनूच पॉयंट की तेंच्यांनी जो आरोप केला तुम्ही 14 घरांक शोकॉज काडल्या
डिमॉलिशन काडून
शो डेमोलिशन
Madam,
तुम्ही म्हणता की त्यांना डेमोलिशन काढण्याचो त्यांच्या प्रमाणे जर डेमोलिशन तुम्ही डिनाय करता फक्त ओनली एक घराक शोकॉज काडल्या फक्त ह्या
आणि
प्रेसाचे
अजून
इतकेच.
process जाता,
आणि दुसरें
procedure
म्हणटा
जाता.
तुम्ही आम्ही क्वेश्चन करतकीर की झाडाची तेंच्यांनी दाखयल्या मार्किंग केल्या ती हे दुसरी म्हणून ती 14 घरां थंय ना दुसरी प्रॉपर्टी
नील आन्सर
ती दुसरी प्रॉपर्टी.
यू टेल हू यू
हांव पंच मेंबर म्हणजे नांव कॅजिटन बारटो हांव पातेपरे पंच मेंबर ही मॅटर 2022 आसा चलता तेंगे कंप्लेनाची इलिगल हावजीस आमच्यान जायत हेल्प करपाक ट्राय केल्ली का पंचायती आपली ऑफिस हियरिंग केली दोन्ही पार्टी एग्री जायना जाले थोडी मागीर एग्री जाताय थोडे 15 दिसान 20 दिसान परत चेंज जाले आतां ती कंप्लेन हायकोर्टाक गेलो हायकोर्टाक गेलो म्हण ते प्रमाणे आमचे एकल्या शोकस नोटीस धाडली आनी पळय ग्रामसभा इश्यू जालो हे जालें ते जालें पूण ती मातशें कांय जालें ना आनी सरपंच आनी हांव वॉर्ड मेंबर स्वता तेंक हेल्प करतली ती चोच घर आमी तेंका मोडपाक दिवपा नाय आनी सगळे आमी मेंबर तुका सगळे लोकां वटले
So the main thing now I'm trying to tell you is that it was being completely misleading, whichever video has gone through. We have not sent any demolition notices. हम कोणाकू demolition करना है, and हम कोणाके demolition बोलवा तो सगळे तुम सगळे गेटस लावले हो, तुम सगळे